Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup, and I love subscription boxes. Today, it is my Trendmood box. This is volume 16. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe down below if you have not yet and if you enjoy the content. Also, there's a join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. I'm in the middle of cleaning my house, so forgive the appearance, but I just received my Trendmood box. This is volume number 16. If you're unfamiliar with the Trendmood box, this is a subscription box, but you buy it as you want to. It is not a monthly commitment or anything like that, and you kind of pick and choose what months you want to buy or what volumes you want to buy. Basically, I saw Keys Soul Care, so I bought the box. And I've been on a no-buy, so right now it has to be something I really, really love or I'm not getting it. Also, people are about to come in the door. I'm very sorry about that. But we're on the path of just sitting down and bullshitting and having a good time with you guys. So I'm going to dive in. This is $44. And again, I saw the Keys Soul Care. And if you would have watched our previous video, then you know the cream blush is my all-time favorite. It is a beautiful formula. So when I saw that they were featuring Keys Soul Care in here, I had to buy it. All right, so first up, we have the Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. I really love the products that I have tried from Kopari thus far. These are all going to be full-size products, and a lot of these are newer launches or newer releases to the brand, so how freaking exciting. I love the packaging on this, by the way. It's extremely heavy. Next up is an Origins, the Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. I'm going to put this in my Pay It Forward pile. If you're unfamiliar, I have very dry skin, very dehydrated skin, so I don't really like oil-free products or things that are like gel or clay, things like that. So we'll put this in our Pay It Forward pile. Next up is a Fab or First Aid Beauty, if you're unaware. This is a cleansing oil and makeup remover for sensitive skin. I am really excited about this product, and I love everything by Fab that I've ever tried as well. Next up, we have something by Wildcat, spelled W-L-D-K-A-T. I've actually never heard of this. And it is an orchid, stem cell, and magnolia berry adaptogen eye gel. I will test that out as well. I'm currently using up one, but when I test this, I will definitely update you guys. And then we have all of the Keys Soul Care, the reason I bought the whole damn box. So first up, we have the Keys Soul Care Natural Flush Complexion Brush. My box got a little bit messed up, so hopefully the brush itself is okay. And I've only tried the blush from them, and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and say right now, I will put this in my Pay It Forward pile. It feels heavy. I like the length, and it looks really pretty. I like a very kind of firmly packed, kind of more fluffy type of brush, and this just doesn't seem as firmly packed as I would personally like. So I'm also going to put this in my Pay It Forward pile. Next up is the Keys Soul Care Comforting Tinted Lip Balm. This is in the shade Lucid. I do want to just see what color it is. I will be keeping these. Okay, so this one is just a clear balm. I think if you're somebody that you are less is more beauty, you don't like any color cosmetics at all, which is just fine, then maybe that's going to speak to you. We have another lip balm. This is the comforting tinted lip balm in Manifestation. And it looks to be, it's probably going to be like an orange. If it is a spicy orange color, I'm going to be obsessed. I love oranges, especially for summertime. All right. And I do like the packaging. Everything is like pretty basic, pretty sleek, but I like it. And it does feel weighted. Oh, it is this beautiful orangey shade. Let's try some. It smells almost baked goods. And ooh, that's nice. Sorry about the lighting, and I have no mirror. I decided to just sit my fat ass on the living room floor, y'all. Sorry. That feels nice. And I like that it's a flush of color, but if you do have ultra fair skin, it's not going to be too much. It's not going to be scary, kind of how it looks in the package. That feels very nice. I'm excited. I'll, of course, update you guys. And then we have the Sheer Flush Cheek Tint. This is in the shade Sensual. I do already have the shade Grace that I have been using the heck out of, and I'm obsessed with it, and is the whole reason I bought this box. I'm unsure at the time of filming if this is still available. They do sell out pretty quickly, but I do just want to show you guys the value for your money here, $44 for all of this, is a steal. And I will put the retail value here, but this is how they look. And I actually wanted more of these. Oh my gosh, I think that is going to be absolutely stunning. And it looks kind of scary here. It's kind of a deep berry shade, but they do sheer out, and then you can also build them up if you want to. So again, maybe not fair skin, but I think if you have like light to medium on up from their skin tone, you could definitely use this. They're very long lasting on the skin. They don't pull up the makeup or anything underneath. They look beautiful. They dry down, but they're not super matte. They're fantastic. I love this box so much. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little pay it forward. We're gonna go ahead and be giving away these two products. All deets are down in the description box as always. That's it, beauties. What did you think of the box? Again, the value will be up here. I'm obsessed. I love the Trendmood box. Yeah, that's it. Have a great weekend. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.